What is happening, everybody? I am here to try a different kind of food. I don't think I've tried this food yet. Well, ice cream, but not just any ice cream. I've never even seen this kind of ice cream. Now, I don't know if you can see, maybe it looks like I'm sweating, I don't know, but it does. I am sweating. It's nice and hot up here, and it's been 100 all week. And yeah, so I'm gonna try some ice cream. Not any kind of ice cream, but hot ice cream. Now we're not talking hot like it's 100 degrees, it's boiling hot. Of course this is cold, but it's called the spicy ice cream. Now I'm not a big chocolate fan. This is chocolate swirl, so it's gonna be super weird. Doesn't say anything about new on here, so I'm guessing it's been out for a while. It also says gluten-free. And there's a few sugars in it, but yeah, we're gonna try it out. And then we also have another one called ginger swirl. I think this one might be a little bit better. I have no idea, never tasted it in my life. Let's try it now. All right. We're going to dip in to chocolate first because I honestly can't stand chocolate, so I don't want it to be leaving in my taste buds. I'd rather have the ginger take over, hopefully. So I just took off the lid, and this is nice foil. I've never even seen that before. So obviously, probably pretty good. I don't know. All right, we're ripping it off. Some of the heat's probably got to it. Not, maybe inside, I don't know. But it could be the outside here. So I'm not even gonna tear that whole thing off, but here we go. I'm gonna dip it in. Nice and hot there. You ready? Okay, I taste the chocolate. I taste the swirl, whatever it is. I don't taste any spiciness. I'm waiting for an after kick. I don't know. I don't taste it. I just don't taste it. We'll take another dip here. I mean, I taste icicles inside. I'm not tasting anything. I mean, maybe a tad little kick. Tad, I mean, a hint. You know what a hint is? A hint of a kick. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, maybe a hint. I mean, I think I'm tasting it now. I think. It might be that. I mean, but it's, I mean, I was expecting it to be like, you know, spicy, hot, but, you know, for not liking chocolate, this ain't bad. And I don't know, you see in there or not, but I think there's more vanilla in here. The chocolate swirl, I would think of a twist. And I do see vanilla, but it's not like a strong chocolate like it's showing on the thing here. That's showing chocolate there. Now you see in there, you can see some white. But like I said, I taste a small hint. I mean, there's more vanilla ice cream in here than chocolate. That's why I like it so much. Yeah, there's a lot of. You can see my lighting's bad. Oh, here. I got a flashlight right here. Yeah, see in there. Oops, whoa! Oh, on camera. Just dripped it all over the floor. Yeah, not good. But it's all good. Someone's gonna lick that up. Not me. Probably shouldn't let the dog because it's chocolate or, well, vanilla, whatever. I'm sorry, but if we had to rank this out of 10, I don't know, 5 or 10, I don't care. A -5, okay? I mean, if there's a 5 out of 10, literally, or 5-star, this is a -5. Total 0. Epic fail. I mean, literally fall on the floor, that's literally what it tastes like. I mean, I can handle hot, but I can eat some hot peppers, jalapenos, and yeah, I mean, I can taste them. So, I mean, yeah. I mean, I can feel like a little kink or a little kick, after kick, but I mean, like I said, it's just a hint. Now that's in the chocolate swirl, but honestly, these guys need to step up their kick. I mean, if you're gonna go big, go big or go home. I'm telling you to go home right now, because this is nothing. Alright, we just opened the ginger swirl. Let's see what this tastes like. Oh, I can taste the ginger. I can taste the ginger for sure. I tell you what, before I came in this video, I said I'm going to eat the chocolate first and then kick it off with the ginger. Maybe I should have switched that because I didn't think that was going to taste like vanilla like it did. Wow, that's some strong ginger. That's some strong ginger. Wow. And where's the hotness out of it? Where's the spiciness? The hot ice cream. The spicy ice cream. Where is it? I mean, hot scream. I ain't screaming. I'm screaming because I can taste the ginger. Like I said, like a hint. A hint. I mean, what they do, like put like a dash, a hint or a dash of hot spicy pepper in this thing, and they're like, oh hey, we can't put it too hot. Oh, come on, give it to us. If you're gonna say hot or screaming hot, make some cool stuff, Mainly, most people aren't gonna be like, oh, you know what? A lot of people probably ain't buying it because it's like, ooh, it's hot. That's weird. I don't want to have, and I'm not gonna sit there and eat ice cream and be like, oh, it's so hot. But I mean, most people are like, if you're gonna eat it, it's for like a challenge or something. Oh hey, you know what? I like hot things. I'll try different hot stuff. I'm thinking that's what they went for, but there's more ginger in here than ice cream. There's a lot of ginger in this thing. Ginger overpowering this thing. I mean, hot scream? No. Cold scream. Literally cold scream. Even if it's melting. Literally. How many stars? How many fingers? 0. I'm sorry, this is epic fail. Epic fail. This is total. Not even worth it. If you want to try it, go ahead. And if you try it and you think, oh no, that was pretty hot, you know what? Comment below, you know? I like to hear your comments. I personally don't think it's hot. Like I said, there's a hint. Now, maybe right now, just talking, maybe there's a little bit more than the chocolate. Maybe. But then again, it could just be the ginger. Ginger's really strong in this thing. I've had ginger ice cream before. Nothing like this. So, for taste, not on the hotness. For the ginger, I'd say it's a 5-star for like solid ginger. For that chocolate swirl, I give it a 5-star because I actually thought it was gonna be mainly just chocolate, you know. I don't know why they even call it swirl here, because they just should, I was just say ginger. That I understand, chocolate swirl. So there's gonna be, I don't know, I just call it twist, you know, because honestly, there's probably more vanilla in that thing than there was chocolate. So, yeah. Well, thanks for watching. Please like the video, down the video, or leave a comment. I appreciate it. And go try some of this Cold-Scream ice, cold ice, not spicy ice cream.